family, happy Father's Day. As you guys know, Dennis is my stepfather and like a father to me. So today we are up here and going to celebrate Father's Day with him. So we all hope that you guys have a wonderful happy Father's Day, or had a happy Father's Day, and that you enjoyed it with whoever is near to you. So come on, let's go surprise Dennis. Go inside! We're gonna go find Grandpa. Come on this way. I think he's outside. Come on. You gotta go find Grandpa.
Oh my! There's a bird! Grandpa, big hug you, bird.
Thank you, bird.
Put a bird on it. That brings new meaning to it. Put a bird on it.
Yeah, you
Say Happy Father's Day.
happy Grandpa's Day.
Oh my god.
You look great. You look great.
We're home and I actually forgot to wrap up the vlog, so I'm wrapping it up now. If you guys enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, go ahead and subscribe, and I hope you all had a wonderful Father's Day. And wish me luck as my summer term of school starts. Bye, peeps!
Bye.
Say mwah!